Hey guys, it's Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's find of the week. I got a new shipment of cute things in, and I don't know. I know we're starting on the holidays, and I know it's time for gift giving and that kind of thing, and people are decorating for Christmas, but I really like things I can use all year long. And I had ordered some cute little rustic buckets, and they just came in that I wanted to show you. Here, I'll set them on the table here. They are adorable. A set of 3. And they're made to look old and rustic. And they're a set of 3, so they've got the little tiny one. Isn't that so cute? A little tiny one there. And when I say tiny, I don't know, I'm guessing maybe 6 inches high, maybe? And then you've got a third one down in there. A second one. And then you've got your big one, your third one. And they have their cute little handles. See their little handles? So I got some rustic buckets in. I got some adorable, these are little silhouettes. Cute little silhouettes. It's a little goose with her little babes. That'd be cute for a table, cute for outside. Could kind of put those things anywhere. And then, this is my favorite. This is a little goat. This is a little goat cart. Not go-kart, but goat cart. And you can see he's rustic. And he is holding, you just clip these on, these little metal rods, and he is holding a little cart. And he would be cute on the table as a decoration. To even put like your napkins or something in. Pardon my mess. I got a mess in here. Your napkins or your utensils. Like if you have a big farm table or a table where I guess none of us are really entertaining this year. But even just for your family that's there in your home, you could use this all year long. I was even thinking he'd be cute with a little wreath wrapped around his neck for the holidays or a little jingle bells. And then you could use this for your cart for utensils, for your table, napkins, that kind of thing. Or you can put him outside and put a plant in here. And he's pretty big. He's probably about, he's not that big, but he's about, I don't know, 20, maybe almost 20 inches tall. And then he's got, he's probably 2 feet, 24, 28 inches long with his little cart. Isn't he cute? So anyway, we got all kinds of neat little things, new things that I'm going to be getting up on the website. I just thought I would share a few things with you. And who knows, maybe you'll go shopping online. It's the way to do it these days. Be sure and check us out at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques. And go over and give us a like on our Facebook page. And we will talk to you next week.